Hey Blizzards, it's Coach Rachel. I know it is not Friday, but I just looked at the weather and it is going to be beautiful on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I just wanted to send you a real quick message asking you if you can at recess at school, grab a soccer ball, grab a friend, and work on that challenging skill that we worked on at practice. So that was where one person starts with the ball over here, the other person's over here, and you guys kind of attack each other. You try and steal the ball away from the player, because remember, next week, our main focus is on defense. So I want you guys practicing while it's beautiful outside. I want you outside practicing taking the ball away from another player, not watching them dribble down the field, challenging them. Now remember, they're gonna go right, they might fake going right and then go left. So it might be good for you if you juke one way, meaning start going to the right and see which way that player's gonna go. So you force the movement out of them, okay? You always wanna be leading. You always want to be attacking and the aggressive person. Put them in the fear position. You put yourself in the power position, okay? Also, when you get home from school, get outside. I'm sure mom and dad would love that. Get outside, kick the soccer ball around. If you don't have brother or sister, mom and dad can't play with you outside, that's fine. Work on your kicks, the power kicks, okay? Planting that foot and driving that ball hard. Remember, Andrew, the goalie of the last game, he was a brick wall. I told you guys we were not gonna get very many goals on him. He loves playing goalie and he doesn't let very many balls go past him. I've known him for 4 years now. He doesn't let very many goals score. The next couple of games are gonna be really hard. We're gonna be playing some really good teams. That team was a team I thought we had a really good chance of winning, and it was close. I think it was 2-3. All our games moving forward are going to be really hard, okay? So I need you out there. I need you practicing. I need you guys rolling that ball around, just getting the feel of that ball between your feet. Can you pass it back and forth between your feet so that way when you're trying to dribble around another opponent, can you maneuver that ball back and forth, okay? So 2 things for me. Practice at recess, having a friend challenge, you challenge them. They start with the ball, you take it away, okay? Because our game is we're gonna focus on defense on Saturday. And then also when you're home, working on your dribbling, just little dribbles, keep that ball close to your feet. You're not dribbling far away, you gotta keep that ball close to you. And also power hits, okay? So kicking the ball with some power, with some force, with some intent. I want it to go somewhere. I don't want to see any little ding hits, okay? I want to see that power behind that foot, okay? You guys have a great week, and I'll send you another video on Friday. Bye, guys.